Okay, welcome Lakbayis. Today is April 16. Um, I just found out from a friend na pwede nang bumoto dito sa may mall malapit sa amin. And I am already here to exercise my right to vote for the first time. Kami ni John. So, yes, pumunta kami dito and ang schedule, yan, just finished. Okay, ang schedule nila dito is Monday to Friday. Yan. So, early na kami nag-vote. Alam ko, election nung is, 18 pa ba? Pero pwede nang mag-vote ng maaga. Ayun. Quite an experience. And, yun lang, share lang. Okay, since we brought all the kids, so we're just gonna have dinner here outside. And here's Jules, wing night tonight. So, dito kami sa Smithies in Garden City. Say hi, Lakbayis.
Hi, Lakbayis.
Okay, so una dun sa Elections Canada na office, dinala ko lang yung driver's license ko at saka yung passport. Pero hindi naman kinailangan yung passport, yung driver's license lang. First time ko mag-register. Merong pinadalang papel in the mail ng parang from Elections Canada. Tapos dinala ko rin yun. Tapos mabilis naman yung process. Even if first time ko lang mag-register, yung papel na yon parang in-scan lang nila, tapos hiningin driver's license ko, then pwede na akong bumoto. And pagkaboto ko, bumalik lang ako dun sa lady, and then yan, tapos na. Wala pang 10 minutes yata o mga 10 minutes, mga ganun, 10 minutes, ganun lang kabilis. So at least na-exercise na natin ng pagboto sa Canada.